As the coconuts move along the belt, the rotating brushes activate, scrubbing away impurities to reveal the clean shells beneath. Once drilled, the coconuts are inverted by robotic arms, allowing the fresh, premium coconut water to drain into sterilized pipelines below.
After the premium coconut water is extracted, the empty shells are sent to the waste disposal stage.
The next step is filtration. The water enters these tanks, passing through multi-layer mesh until it achieves perfect clarity.
At the purity testing stage, our robotic systems draw a precise sample to guarantee the premium quality of the coconut water.
Utilizing state-of-the-art automation, the premium coconut water is carefully packed into groups of 6.
At the pallet assembly stage, our state-of-the-art layering arms precisely stack the sealed cartons for shipment.
Once packaged, our premium coconut water is carefully moved to the shipping area, ready for global distribution.
Production note: every frame in this video has been transformed through a multi-stage editing process, from GIF conceptualization to VO3 generation. Human creativity leads every step. This channel is dedicated to original AI craftsmanship and follows all 2026 YouTube monetization rules.